Today I'd like to show you how to make some puzzles yourself. I'm going to start with this one. You know what this is. You know this is the South African flag, and then we'll go to that one afterwards. So to colour this one in, I used my watercolour paints, but I've done it already so it's dried. You'll need two pictures. You'll need this one that you can look at, and with this one you're going to cut it out. So I'm going to try to cut really neatly on the lines of my flag. I'm going to cut my flag into pieces. Each colour is going to be a piece, and I'm going to mix them up, put them out on my mat. See, I'm really concentrating. Now I'm going to cut out the red piece. Such a lovely bright red. I didn't realize the flag was made up of all these beautiful shapes until now. Here's the lovely green Y shape. Have to be careful when cutting, don't we? That we don't cut ourselves. There's the Y shape. And now I'm going to cut out the triangles. Or the triangle, the black triangle. And the yellow bit looks a bit like an arrow, doesn't it? So, there we go. There's all the pieces of my flag, and now I'm going to build my puzzle. I'm going to start. Let's just move these out of the way. I'm going to start by putting the green wire in first and then building the other shapes around it. I know that the blue goes at the bottom, and I know that the red goes at the top. Let's see if I turn it around. There we go. Okay. That's looking right, isn't it? I need something in between here. What could I put? I think I need something, don't I? Let's see. Oh, I wonder if that will fit there. There we go. Aha! Let's see where the other white piece goes. I think it goes over here. Let's see if I turn it around. There we go. Now let's see. Let's see where this triangle fits. I think it goes over here. That's strange. Then I'll need something here, but that won't fit. I know. I need to change it around a little bit, don't I? I need to put the yellow outside of the black. Let's see. Aha. There we go. And now the black one goes in. There we go. And that's how you build your own South African flag puzzle. You can do that many times and you can enjoy it. And this is another puzzle that I made. This time I didn't use my watercolors. I used my colored pencils, and I colored in all these different shapes. Now, let's see if you know what country this is. This is South Africa, our country. This is all South Africa. All of the part that's colored in is our country, South Africa. And our country of South Africa is divided up into these different colors. And these different colors are called provinces. Our province where we live is called the Western Cape. This is the Western Cape here, this green province. So I'm going to fetch that province first, and I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to build my puzzle below here. So I have this green one called the Western Cape, our province. Now I'm looking for this one called the Eastern Cape. It's orange. And I'm going to put it in here. You guys know how to build puzzles beautifully, I know. Now I'm going to find this light green one called KwaZulu-Natal. It's a very tropical area with lovely palm trees growing. Here it goes. And this is the largest province. It's called the Northern Cape. It goes over here. And now I'm looking for this pink one, this pink province called the Free State. And now I'm looking for the Northwest province. There's a lion on it. I guess lions live there. Now I'm looking for the smallest of the provinces, and that's this tiny little yellow one called Gauteng. It's the smallest province, but it's got the most people living in it. That's interesting. And this one is called Mpumalanga. Let's put this one here. And lastly, we've got this province over here called Limpopo. It's pale purple, isn't it? So you can make your own map of South Africa. You'll see that there's some spaces on the map. This space over here is a small country called Swaziland, which is inside of South Africa. And this space over here is another country called Lesotho, which is also inside South Africa, but not part of South Africa. So you can make your own map of the provinces, and you can make your own your own puzzle of the map of South Africa, and your own puzzle of the flag of South Africa. So I hope you enjoy doing those things. Bye.